Why my MacBook Pro still works like a charm after 10 years. This is my honest tips. First, I always clean cookies and caches regularly. Here you go. This is how to clean caches and cookies on my MacBook Pro. Once you empty the cookies and caches, you delete the trash as well. Empty the trash. Next, always check the empty storage or hard drive before installing new application. You just click the Apple logo on the top. Also, don't forget to upgrade your OS or software. Here you go. You always make sure you have empty storage, okay? At least quarter of your storage is empty. How even better. If necessary, upgrade or add your RAM, okay, to increase the speed of your MacBook. The first time I broke my MacBook Pro, my RAM is only 4 GB. I upgraded to 8 GB, and then basically I can install Photoshop, also iMovie, and it's not too bad. It's running, it's not too slow as long. Like again, I always clean unnecessary files or document on my MacBook to empty my storage. It's very important to know your computer capacity. Like for example, if you only have 4 GB RAM and iCore 3, then you install Photoshop and iMovie, it might slow down your Mac. Probably you think like, oh bloody hell, my MacBook is broken. Actually, it's not broken. For watching, hope this is helpful for you.